This is pumpkin and coconut slice. If you want to know how to make it, stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome to Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kiet and today I will be showing you how to make a simple dessert recipe that I've been wanting to make for a very long time, and today just got a chance, so we are going to dive into making this together. First of all, we are going to prepare the three types of the flours. Today I am using the rice flour, tapioca flour, and the arrowroot flour. So there are three combinations going to make this beautiful recipe come out very nice, soft and spongy. And the next ingredients I'm using today is going to be the steamed pumpkin. Make sure when you choose the pumpkin, you choose the more mature pumpkin, so it gives a better and buttery texture than the young one. And I like to add some of the texture into my cooking, so I use the fresh hand-grade coconut. If you familiar with Thai desserts, so coconuts have been using pretty much like 80 to 90% of Thai dessert. So I like to hand grate my coconut just like this. So next step, I will start to mixing all the ingredients together by mashing all this steamed pumpkin. Mash it until it's like become like puree. Now at this step, we are going to start mixing dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. So starting off by mixing pumpkin puree with the flours. Then I will knead it until it's all well combined, just like this. So it's become like a really nice smooth texture. It's a little bit sticky onto your hand. And then add in some sugar. Cut the flavor, balance this out by using salt. And the puree should be looking exactly just like this. Once everything's combined, I'm adding in the coconut milk here. This coconut milk going to add some extra buttery flavors into the pumpkin slice. And next step is to add in the hand-grated coconut here. Look at this beautiful shredded coconut. Just add into our mixture. Use the spatula and then gently fold. Since we are going to bake it in the oven, so I will use baking tray here and then wrap it with coconut, so just to grease the tray a little bit. Look at this beautiful yellow color right here. This one is finished, is going to give more vibrant color. Going to steam them in the oven. To require a deeper tray and then add in some water. steam at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or until it cooks. So once it's done, we are going to see the result together. Here you go. Just make sure that you leave it until it completely cool down before serving, and then just cut and slice them all up and ready to serve. Well, not too bad, isn't it? Alright guys, this is the end result from our cooking today. This is the pumpkin and coconut slice. If you want to give it a try, click and expand to get the recipe below the video description here. And if you want to see more contents from Jolly Kitchen with Kiet, just make sure you subscribe. And you think it will be useful for your friends and the family for the future referencing. If you think of something to make, be sure to share it. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you again next time. Bye now.